What's this? A. Go ahead. See if you can trace the A. B. D. Let me see you trace it. Can you trace it? You want to trace it right side? Go ahead. Go ahead. Start again. Go ahead.
W.
W. Good job. Just trace your W. Okay, good try. Where's the M? That's not. What letter is that? N. Yeah.
I want to trace the N.
Go ahead, trace the N. Oh, nice. Nice.
Trace the M.
Trace the M.
Trace the H.
Trace the H.
And the X.
X. Trace the X.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Okay, T. Okay. Let's do an A. You want to try to trace the A? Let's trace the A. Bless you. You traced all the A's? Did you trace all the A's? Let's try a big A. Trace a big A. Go ahead. Okay. Start at the top. Remember, start at the top. You want to start at the top? Start at the top. Okay. Good pencil work. Okay, but start at the top. You want Mommy to help you?
No.
No? Okay.
I'll help you.
What letter is this?
It's a triangle.
It's an A. What letter is this?
It's not.
It's not what?
It's not the head.
Huh?
That's not head.
Okay, what is this?
No.
What's this?
No.
Huh? What letter is this? Okay, enough?
Triangle.
That's an A.
A.
Yeah, that's an A. What letter is this? Carter, what letter is this?
My.
Is that your
Yeah.
signature?
Huh?
Is that your signature?
Yeah. It's gone.
Okay. What letter is this? What letter is that? Hmm?
Wait a minute.
Hmm?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Okay, wait a minute.
What you doing?
Let's trying to get out.
Come on. Stop. Can you get any of these from Handwriting for Kids? Send our donations too.
Huh? What's that?
Nothing?
No teacher?
Hmm?
No teacher?
You need some tissue? Hmm? So what's the first letter?
It's table.
No, don't write on the table. What letter is this?
O.
Huh? Don't write on the... I'm going to take it away. I'm going to take it away. Don't write on the table.
Wow! Let's go.
Hmm?
Tell you.
Down for the count.
Tell
I didn't
you.
have a cereal yet.
You. Bye.
Come on, let's do ABCs. Start at the beginning. What's this?
S.
What's this one?
R.
Huh?
U. R. U. U.
It's an O.
U. O. O. U. O. O. N. M. K. J.
J.
J. W.
Where's the W? Where's the W?
There.
Yes. Where's the A? That's not an A. Where's the A? Where's the A? Find the A. Yes. Where's the E? E. 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 Are you guessing? What letter is that? Where's the E? Yes, that's the E. Where's the H? Good job. Where's the J? Where's the J? Is this a J? J, yes. Okay, this is going way too long. Where's the I?
I.
That is not an I. Where's the I?
Yeah.
That's not an I. What letter is that? That's not an I either. What letter is it? Where? Yes! Where is the X? Good job. Where is the B? B like boy or ball. Where's the B? B like ball. You're just guessing now, huh? Yep, B. Good job.